7 best exercises to build a massive chest, no equipment. If you click on this video to really build a massive chest, watch this video till the end and you will know everything. Program, exercises, tactics, how it works, everything. In 1 month, you will see the difference. In 2 months, your friends and family will see the difference. In 3 to 6 months, you will build yourself a massive chest. So right now I'm going to show you 7 exercises from the beginner to advanced. Man, I want you to see them as levels in the game. Every push-up is the level that you must complete to go to the next level. The rules of this game that we call massive chest is simple. Number 1, in order to complete the level, you need to do 4 sets of 20 reps of this exercise. Number 2, 2-minute rest between sets. Rule number 3, each set should be completed until 20 reps or till failure. So for example, your today's workout can look like this. You will pick level number 1 and you will go 20, 20, 18 because you hit failure and 14 because you hit failure. On the next workout, you will become stronger and you will hit 20, 20, 20, 18, failure. Workout number 3, 20, 20, 20, 20. Congratulations, you are ready for the level 2 on the next workout. This is called progressive overload. This is why you will build muscles from doing these exercises, and then your level 2 can look like this. But don't give up. Keep coming back and those numbers will grow. 20, 20, 20, 20, level 3. And you will do this workout 2 times per week. And brother, when you're going to do your first workout in the massive chest game today, don't forget to write in the comments your level and how many reps you did in 4 sets. I can guarantee you, you will inspire someone to actually accept this challenge. And now you are ready to see actual levels of the game. But before we go there, please leave a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm here to help you to get in the best shape of your life. Let's get down on the floor and let's get started. So let's have fun, guys. Level number 1, side to side knee push-up. If you struggle with the real push-ups, this variation will be easier because you own your knees, but it will be so much fun because of the side to side aspect of this push-up that you will be enjoying it throughout the whole 4 sets of 20 reps, I promise you. But keep your technique right. When you switch your hands, land softly. When you go down, go with control. Feel your muscles stretching out and contracting on every rep. This is the way to do it, to build muscles. When you can do 4 sets of 20 reps, you're ready to go to the next level. Level number 2, beautiful push-ups. Not your regular push-ups when you do half range of motion and trying to go as fast as possible. This is your beautiful muscle building push-ups. When you're going slow on every rep, you can even feel that they build muscles because of the technique. Touch the floor with your chest on every rep, and then when you go up to the straight elbows, go immediately to another push-up. Don't stay there, don't rest there. Keep your chest always under tension. Man, this is the killer. Level number 3, double diamond push-up. On this one, don't go to the full diamond, go just a little bit wider. It will be easier on your wrist. And then my favorite killer exercise, double push-up. Touch the floor with your chest on the first rep, then go to the half rep and another way down until your chest touches the floor, and then to the full extension. And this is the rep number 1. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. Look at this form. Slow, beautiful, muscle building. This is what you want. Level number 4 is elevated hands, elevated legs, push-ups. This one is getting so much harder than the regular push-ups because of the increased range of motion. Controlled reps, touch the floor with your chest and full extension in your elbow. Man, to achieve 4 sets, 20 reps on this one, you will need to grind pretty hard. The next one is weighted push-up. You can do it with the backpack or you can do it with the weight vest. My favorite way is backpack. Try to find something heavy like water bottles or rice bags to load it up and you're ready to go. This is basically level number 2 of our beautiful push-up, but with weight on your back. And if you can do 4 sets of 20 reps of regular push-ups with beautiful form, even 10 pounds on your back will make a huge difference. Reps will go down and man, you are ready to work, you are ready to grow. When you're already strong enough to do all the progressions, weight on your back is the only way to progressively overload. Next level, when you max out the weight that you can put in your backpack. Of course, if you have actual plates in the house, it's pretty difficult to do because then you can load it up to 100 pounds. But if you have only water bottles and rice bags, elevating your hands is the way to go to make this exercise harder. Because at this point, with the weight on your back, even slightest improvement in range of motion will make the exercise so much harder. Control, beautiful technique, all the way. And the final, the hardest, pure muscle building progression that you can do at home is elevated hands, elevated legs, weighted push-ups. You max out the weight that you can put in your back, max out the improvement in range of motion. Now just have fun with the slow controlled push-ups and build muscles. This is level 7. When you can do this 4 sets of 20 reps, I can guarantee you that you build yourself insanely massive chest. But in order to be here, man, you need to start from the level 1. So don't hesitate, pick your level, go down on the floor, and let's make progress. Guys, you know the plan. Now just go there and do it. I believe in you. Also guys, when you're ready to get your workouts to the next level, download the Next Workout app. All the levels that we are talking about today, you will find in my app. And you will find it for every exercise, for every muscle group. Home, dumbbells, gym workouts. This is all in one place to turn your body into the freaking beast. Thank you so much for watching guys, and don't forget that in order to build massive chest, your diet should be on point. So definitely check out this video on 5 tips for heart gainers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.